AI product solutions. In recent years, the word AI has grabbed the attention of the world. But do you know exactly what value AI brings? To optimize plant operations, you need to know the present and predict the future. Even in harsh process environments, highly reliable and continuous measurement and intelligent analysis highlight the key points necessary for manufacturing. Based on our expertise and experience in the process industry, we utilize suitable AI in plant characteristics. AI helps to derive insight and meaning from analysis results using domain knowledge and to improve your entire process. At manufacturing sites, the value that AI can provide can be summarized into 3 types of analysis. Yokogawa has been solving customer issues using AI in various industries. From here, we will introduce 3 solutions using AI. Would you like to build an AI predictive detection system on-site? By loading AI onto a recorder that acquire and store data, you can easily build an equipment and quality predictive detection system. By quantifying deterioration of equipment, you can optimize parts replacement and maintenance timing, improve downtime by predicting abnormal conditions in equipment, and automate work that depended on human by quantifying product quality. The AI also has the ability to predict future data based on the acquired data. Would you like to hire an AI operator? The AI function capturing and notifying you of the anomalies that predict abnormalities is faster than determining abnormalities from threshold values of equipment trend data. Therefore, the user can perform maintenance on the equipment before trouble occurs and make maintenance plans. This means you can prevent production stoppage due to unexpected equipment failure and operate the factory stably. Would you like to challenge the issues you have given up on? For Industrial AI Platform, ERT3+, we have a new lineup of AI control learning services using autonomous control AI. By packaging the controller and services, customers can tackle AI control themselves. Our reinforcement learning AI has the advantage of being able to learn with fewer trials than general reinforcement learning, making it extremely practical. Achieve proper control without compromising quality, shorten settling time, and reduce energy wasted. In addition, there have been various issues in conventional control, but they can be solved by AI control using FKDPP. Lastly, please take a look at the analysis results of AI-based solutions, and 3 solutions provided by Yokogawa and the AI Product Solution Book.